Hey everyone, welcome back to Eat, Thrive, and Relax. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of fish, not just as creatures of the sea, but as one of the healthiest foods on the planet. If you're curious about what makes fish so nutritious and why they're often called superfoods, stick around. First off, fish are an excellent source of high-quality protein. Unlike red meat, the protein in fish is easier to digest, making it perfect for people of all ages. Protein is essential for building muscles, repairing tissues, and maintaining overall health. For example, a 100-gram serving of salmon provides around 22 grams of protein. Now, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These are the healthy fats our body loves. Omega-3s help keep our heart healthy, reduce inflammation, and even boost brain function. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with these essential fats. Eating them regularly can lower the risk of heart disease, improve mood, and even enhance memory. Amazing, right? But that's not all. Fish are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. For example, vitamin D, great for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Vitamin B12, essential for energy production and a healthy nervous system. Iodine, found in saltwater fish, it helps maintain a healthy thyroid. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage. If you're looking for specific benefits, here are some fish you should consider. Salmon, best for heart health and glowing skin. Tuna, great for building muscle and energy. Sardines, perfect for bone health, thanks to their high calcium content. Cod, a lean option that's low in calories but still packed with nutrients. And guess what? Cooking fish is super easy and versatile. You can grill it, bake it, steam it, or even make a hearty fish curry. So, there you have it. Fish aren't just tasty, they're packed with nutrients that can transform your health. If you're not including fish in your diet yet, now's the time to start. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite fish to eat? Or are you planning to try one for the first time? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time.